Have you ever wondered how a product moves from a factory to your hands, exactly when and where you need it? From a smartphone to your favorite snacks, everything depends on one secret weapon: supply chain management with ERP. Today, we're pulling back the curtain and showing how businesses manage it all. Faster, smarter, and with less chaos. Let's go. Hey everyone. Welcome to EduAIverse, where we turn complex topics into easy and enjoyable lessons. In this video, we're diving into ERP, supply chain management, a powerful combo that keeps businesses running smoothly from start to finish. If you're a student or just curious how products magically arrive at your doorstep, this one's for you. 1. What is supply chain management, SCM? Supply chain management is how businesses make sure the right product reaches the right customer at the right time, in the right quantity. It involves planning and forecasting, sourcing and purchasing, manufacturing, warehousing, distribution. Example, think about buying a laptop. From raw materials to manufacturing to delivery, that's the supply chain in action. 2. ERP in SCM. What's the role? ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is software that connects all departments in a business under one roof. When ERP is used in supply chain management, it helps manage everything more smoothly, with real-time data, automation, and better coordination. Think of ERP as the brain and SCM as the hands and feet. Together they get the job done efficiently. 3. SCM core activities. Let's break it into 4 steps. Plan. Decide what's needed, how much, and when. Source. Choose suppliers, compare costs, and order materials. Make. Schedule production. Test products. Pack and prepare for delivery. Deliver. Pick the best transport, ship on time, and track deliveries to the customer. Example. An online store uses ERP to plan holiday sales, reorder inventory in time, and schedule courier pickups, all in one system. 4. Benefits of ERP in supply chain. Here's what makes it powerful. Better planning. See the full picture and avoid surprises. Faster decisions. All data in one place. Quick action. Lower costs. Avoid waste. Manage inventory smarter. On-time deliveries. Teams are better coordinated. Stronger supplier relationships. Better tracking, better communication. Less manual work. Automation avoids duplication and errors. Real-time tracking. Live updates on orders, shipments. Stock improve customer satisfaction. Faster, accurate, reliable service. 5. ERP SCM module. Purchasing and sourcing. Let's simplify a typical purchasing process using ERP. A. Determine needs. What do I need to buy? X. Printer paper. B. Find sources. Where can I get it? Check supplier list. C. Choose vendor. Who has the best offer? Compare prices. Quality. D. Place order. How much should I get? Create purchase order. E. Track order. Has it shipped yet? Check delivery status. F. Receive goods. Did I get what I ordered? Inspect and approve. G. Check invoice. Is the bill correct? Match with delivery. H. Make payment. Pay the right amount on time. Done via ERP. With ERP, all these steps are tracked and automated in one place. No lost documents, no confusion. 6. Why it matters. In today's fast-moving world, companies can't afford delays or confusion. ERP plus SCM helps them move faster, save money, deliver better customer experiences. From local shops to global brands, this system is the backbone of modern business. Conclusion. To wrap it up, ERP and SCM work together like a well-oiled machine. They help businesses plan smarter, act faster, and deliver better. So next time you order something online, remember, a whole digital system made it happen. If this video helped you understand ERP and SCM, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and hit subscribe to EduAIverse. We're here to simplify learning and make tech easy for everyone. See you in the next one.